Have you ever seen those really cool, awesome sketches done on an iPad Pro and want to know if you can do them yourself? I'm going to show you how today.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down?
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release a video. So today's video is going to be about sketching on the iPad Pro. Now, I'm very new to the iPad game, so don't judge me. But I always have had a passion for drawing and sketching and different things like that. So whenever I got my iPad, the first thing I wanted to do was learn how to sketch. So the first thing I had to do, of course, buy my iPad. Second thing, I had to buy this Apple Pencil, and I will put a link to the Apple Pencil down in the description section below, because this is very essential to your drawing endeavors if you have them. Another thing that I like to do is I like to have some kind of tack on the paper, or on here. So this is a matte finish I have over my iPad. I'm going to put a link to that in the description section below. And what that does is it makes it gives it a very papery feel. So I'm going to show you. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this or not, but I always start with iPad Pro landscape or portrait. It'll open up. So what you want to do is, to do a sketch, gonna want to find whatever you're going to sketch. So it can be your inspiration. It can actually be the photo that you are going to. It may be the photo that you're going to. It may be the photo that you're going to actually sketch. So what I do is I push the little plus button here, and I click on image layer, and I click on my iPad. So I'll save whatever the picture is. So let me go through here and find a photo that I want to copy. So we'll do this picture of the Grinch. Why not? Alright, so the main thing you want to do here is you want to make sure this photo is very large. Okay, so you zoom out on your canvas and you just make it really big. Okay, you're going to click done. So it's going to be within my canvas, and I can actually go back in and make that larger if I want to. But right now, for the purpose of this video, it's going to be good enough. So let's zoom in. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at your layers over here. So when you look at your layers over here on the side, each layer is going to be layered on top of each other. So this is going to be the bottom layer. So I want to move that down. So you have your background, which is going to be your background, and then you're going to have your image on the front, and then you're going to have anything on top of that image. So you're going to want to start there. So what I do normally is I'll go over here to my line tool, and I will select the color. So when I do my video showing you exactly how to do a drawing from start to finish, I'll show you all about coloring. But basically, you can go here and you can drag and get any color. So that's going to be black, and this is going to be your flow control. You click and you can drag up and down for your flow control. So I'll make that kind of thick, 0.5. All right, and then you just want to start your sketch here. Now this is not going to be perfect. I'm just kind of showing you how to get started. You sketch around here. You're just kind of sketching over the lines is what you're doing. And you can always come back and clean this up. But I am going to show you, oops. I am going to show you through here and I will color this in. Now this is probably going to take a long time to do, so I'll speed this Alright guys, so that is the basics of sketching on your iPad Pro or your iPad. So if you have any questions about that, like I said, put me a comment in the comment section below. Give this video a like, and I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks guys.